So today I'm going to unbox SToK 2-in-1 A3 and A4 lamination machine with jam release button. Model number is ST-LA3. This is basically a lamination machine, so I'm going to open that. So this is the box, SToK, fine. So the model number ST-LA3. So let's open this. So this is the overall packaging. This is the lamination machine, and this is the instruction manual. Please read prior to. So let's see how is the machine. The best thing is that you will get this plastic which are used for lamination. Some plastics you will get for free for doing any lamination. So let's open this machine. This is the model number. Switch is middle, and this is hot, this is off, and this is cold. Model number. This is ready mode, this is power. Packaging was great, and this is the cable. Let's open it. This is the connector which we need to plug in, and the machine is ready to work.